Best Carpet Cleaners Machine for 2024. After testing several models, here are the 5 top carpet cleaners for protecting your home from dangerous pollutants. Keeping a clean home can be difficult, especially if you have carpet flooring. Carpet flooring isn't easy to keep tidy and even more difficult to clean once it's been dirted. A dirty carpet can become a breeding ground for contaminants like mold, dirt, allergens, pet dander, and various outdoor pollutants. These latch onto the fibers of the carpet and can pose several health risks for the members of your household, especially for any sensitive individuals living in your home. While you can certainly hire professional carpet cleaners, it's a costly option, especially if you have a ton of carpet in your home. In such cases, investing in a carpet cleaning machine for regular DIY maintenance and spot cleaning is the way to go. To find the best carpet cleaner for your home, we tested 7 of the most popular carpet cleaning machines on the market. We put these machines through our extensive testing procedure, which combined basic principles of physics with abundant patience. Find out which one is the best option for your home for spring cleaning and beyond. Number 1. Best overall. Bissell Big Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner. Right from the start, we loved how simple the Bissell Big Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner was to set up thanks to the clear instructions and minimal parts that easily locked into position. Once assembled, this upright did double duty by sucking up dirt and hair before going to work on a myriad of stains ranging from wine to chocolate syrup. After a few passes and the use of the handy wet-dry attachment, the stains had vanished and the carpet was as good as new. Although it weighs over 40 pounds, the wheels on this carpet cleaner make it easy to maneuver around the house. Additionally, the water tanks are easily accessible and a cinch to fill up and dump out. The only main drawback we noticed with the carpet cleaner was the amount of noise it produced while in action. Its volume certainly isn't ear-piercing, but we did note how easy it was to hear from one room over. This is one of the pricier cleaners we tested, but the Bissell Big Pet Pro is worth every penny. The hardworking machine will pay for itself over time. You'll no longer need to rent a carpet cleaner or pay a professional as often, since it reliably gives good results. This machine comes with an attached hand vac, which is perfect for picking up dirt and hair before attacking stains. We passed over each stain 3 times in wet and then dry mode. The coffee stain was completely removed, while the dirt, chocolate, and wine were extremely faded. After a few more passes, the wine stain disappeared, and the attached wet-dry scrub brush took care of the remaining chocolate and dirt stains. The machine comes with 2 attachments, a stain trapper tool and a stair tool, and an extra 9-foot-long hose. That's perfect for cleaning carpeted stairs or upholstered furniture. It also comes with a full-size bottle of Pet Pro Oxy Urine Eliminator cleaning solution. Number 2. Hoover Clean Slate XL Deep Cleaning Spot Carpet Cleaner Machine. If you need a strong spot cleaner without the added bulk, the Hoover Clean Slate XL is a lightweight option that's easy to move around the house. With a variety of attachments such as brushes and smaller suctions, this 11-pound Hoover performs on a mix of stains from dark soda to wine, although in our tests, the brighter the stain, the more it struggled. Its performance on pet stains, however, is excellent when used with the included OXY stain-removing solution, which quickly eradicates the odor and color of most spot messes. While there are no wheels, the spot cleaner's retractable handle makes it easy to carry it around from one soiled area to the next. Moreover, the gripping textured base keeps the machine stable on almost any surface. During testing, we also noted that it was relatively quiet when operated. In fact, the noise it produced is comparable to that of a standard handheld vacuum. Just note that since this is a great pick for spot cleaning, its limited tank capacity and power doesn't make it suitable for bigger messes. Number 3. Shark Carpet Expert Upright Carpet, Area Rug, and Upholstery Cleaner. The Shark Carpet Expert with Stain Striker Carpet Cleaner is designed to tackle tough stains, and it proved that it's up to the task during our testing. This machine easily removed red wine, grape juice, ketchup, and hot chocolate from carpeting. While it's a larger and heavier machine, the hand tools give it versatility and agility, so you can use it to clean entire rooms or to spot clean problem areas. When I used the brush head on the grape juice and hot chocolate stains, I immediately noticed its trigger-free operation was helpful in reducing hand tension. The cleaner automatically sprays a stream of cleaning solution every time you push the machine forward and very quickly removed both stains completely. I could see the suction pulling the solution up into the machine every time I rolled the carpet cleaner backward. I switched to the deep cleaning mode for the grape juice stain, and then tried the quick dry mode to remove as much moisture as possible. While I appreciated that you don't have to hold down a trigger while using the brush head, the carpet cleaner is heavy and somewhat difficult to maneuver. It's a bit of a workout to move the machine around even the small area rug I was working with. Next, I tried the attachments on the remaining stains. The crevice tool performed very well to remove a red wine stain, and the hose features a trigger that produces a strong, continuous stream to spray down the stains. Scrubbing the stain removed it completely, and by tilting the tool forward, you can activate the suction to speed up the drying process. The Shark Carpet Spur with Stain Striker Carpet Cleaner is a powerful carpet cleaner that performs very well on a series of tough stains. It offers both spot cleaning capability and is capable of cleaning rugs and entire rooms. Between the included crevice tool, pet tool, and reversible bristle tool, this carpet cleaner is suitable for addressing many types of stains and surfaces. When I initially started testing it, I was disappointed it didn't have a steam function. However, it performed so well I don't think a steam function is necessary. Number 4. Rug Dr. Pet True Deep Carpet Cleaner. At almost 35 pounds when filled with clean water, the Rug Dr. True Deep Carpet Cleaner does have some heft to it, but its easy carry handle helps alleviate the bulk when transporting this device. Thankfully, this carpet cleaner arrived pretty much assembled straight out of the box, so we didn't have to worry about lifting and attaching heavy parts. We also took note of the included pet upholstery tool that was able to get rid of most stains and hair with a single pass, significantly cutting down on cleaning time. Although we loved how effective this carpet cleaner's attachment tool was, its soap and scrub feature does use up a lot of water. While using this feature, we noticed that the clean water tank was completely emptied after just 5 minutes, leading to frequent refills for bigger messes. The clean water tank did drain fairly quickly, but interestingly, the cleaner's dirty water tank didn't fill up nearly as fast, which did help balance out the device's water usage. Number 5. Tineco iCarpet Carpet Cleaner Machine and Lightweight Carpet Shampooer. While it may weigh under 17 pounds, the Tineco iCarpet is sturdy and reliable. Those living in small spaces will not only enjoy this device's compact structure, but also its simple assembly that allows pieces to click easily into place. During testing, we also noted how quiet this carpet cleaner was compared to other options on the market, which is a major plus for those looking to minimize noise while cleaning. While we really loved the ease and quiet nature of the iCarpet, its cleaning power could use a boost. We noticed that the device does excel at cleaning spilled wine and coffee, but set in dirt and large messes were major obstacles. The iCarpet left behind faint traces of dirt after several passes, while its small 2-liter tank required frequent refilling to clean up major messes. Overall, this lightweight carpet cleaner gets the job done. We just wish it had a little more power.